Like an open ground, right?
Yeah. So, and here.
So something like against the hill.
See where that little tree is there?
Oh, man.
The thing I'm trying to avoid here is just the wind and the.
Hey, sir, we're gonna move this stuff over there. I don't know if these are the targets. So if any stray rounds go past it, it's gonna go right into your stuff. If you go over that mound, it would have that mound to protect you. So we're gonna move here.
See where that little bush is there?
Put some force on it. It's pulling like. Okay.
Pick it up. This looks cool.
Yeah, like on Facebook, it's gonna look so cool.
Together.
Where it's like one of
For the
these.
waterproof.
It's gonna be directly to.
Plug up, and then you'll want to press the AC button.
Okay.
Yep.
Battery.
So we got power. All right. So now we're gonna hook our.
Keep it under so like it doesn't
You
get.
got it?
Yes. Get hit by something. Or whatever.
This looks cool.
It's because like inside.
Yeah. I'm guessing this part is going on this little 2 dots.
Yep. It'll go.
Clear hot. You clear hot.
Here.
spot, right? Huh? Just stay there. Yep.
Box here.
Alright, ready?
Target's up, target's up.
Hey, target's up.
Give me rapid for 30 seconds.
Nebraska. Trank.
In progress, time now.
They'll do what they do with Henry Chapel.
This? Yep. Boom. What you did?
I can't reverse the turn.
20-second interval between each check round.